This has gone a long way up. Who wants it? Who wants it? Babar Azam takes a steepling catch, and Rashid Khan has his first wicket on this Hero CPL.
Well, Johnson Charles just thought he could continue where he left off. But unfortunately for him and the St. Lucian Stars, they lose the big batter. Obviously, a round of applause given what a start they've given, what the start he's given the side. Now, whilst he's only picked up the 1 wicket, he has started to bowl in the really good areas in the previous game.
Gone. Kamran Akmal, what have you done again? He doesn't work it out, and it's been a wretched CPL for the Pakistan batter.
Kamran Akmal, when he has a look at this footage, he'll be so disappointed, just like all the other shots that he's played so far in this CPL. Wasn't even close to the ball, didn't even look to get to the pitch of it, and just ran right past it. Rashid Khan picks up his second.
That's better, big shout. He's gone straight through him. He's bowled him. Well, it was worth the trip. Well done, Rashid.
Magnificent. I think he might have given Lendl Simmons a bit of a send-off as well on the way, just to go with the El Dorado celebration. And this is what makes the young man, it's so dangerous, deadly googly, sends back Lendl Simmons just as he was starting to open his shoulders. He goes for 20, it's 30 for 1.
Some of the best in the world have been deceived by his googly. It usually comes after he gets hit too, so batters need to know, they need to pick it, they need to look for it. There's no send-off, it was just a friendly little stare.
He didn't say anything, didn't need to. She can't hit. Got him! It doesn't matter. Not anymore.
4, 6, 4, and wicket. Again, the lack of bounce. He's got his man.
Big shout. And his bat on that. Oh, he's given him. He's given him. That's the least convincing appeal that we've seen from Rashid Khan. Even he didn't think that one was out. And finally, he's got one. And Sammy, not impressed.
Well, I'm curious to see if this pitched outside leg stump with the angle. No pitches in line, but was there bat on it? I think there was. That's why Darren Sammy looked so confused.
It's up. Guptill in. He's never dropping that. It's a Republic Bank classic catch from the Amazon Warriors captain.
Of course, the Warriors fans are up and about. Look at those flags going. Because their captain, the man who led them to a win the other night, is now doing it in the field. Rakeem Cornwall goes for 10. And the Stars, 87 for 6.
It's not happening for the Stars. Rakeem Cornwall only going in one direction, bat flying in the other. Not middling this one. Barely timed it. Martin Guptill had to race it and dive forward.
Catch it this time. And Rashid Khan has wicket number 8 for him in this CPL. It's just a matter of time. Chadwick Walton celebrates. Not with gloves on tonight. Luke Ronke has the gloves on, which is a pushed Walton into the outfield. Puran goes for 11. 31 for 6.
Well, Puran's intentions were clear. He was going to go down swinging. Again, it was the wrong end. This time I reckon he picked it. And he was trying to go a lot straighter than what he did. And Chadwick Walton takes a nice catch. And a nice little celebration as well.
It's gone. Rashid Khan strikes. The finger goes up, and that's the end of Wayne Parnell. Adjudged LBW, and he's walking fairly briskly back to the dugout. This is a horrible evening for the Tridents. Parnell 2, it's 52 for 8.
Well, just when you think things can't get any worse, they do. Wayne Parnell heaving across the line. Pitched in front, hitting middle stump. Everyone went up, and so did the umpire. Johan Cloete just giving the confirmation there. You're right, everyone.
Knocks him over, and that is the end of the agony for the Tridents here in Bridgetown. Rashid Khan finishes it off. He picks up his third, 3 for 15 in 3.4. This has been the most amazing performance by the Guyana Amazon Warriors, and by that man there, who's taken 5 for 3. This has been a shellacking for the Barbados Tridents, and Guyana Amazon Warriors all over them. First ball and Smith, and this is the end of it. There was no reading the googly. Springer, the man who had to go. A regular sound tonight, that. McCarthy's on strike. Oh, he's bowled him. What a sight for Rashid Khan. Not a good sight for McCarthy. That leg stump has gone to sleep.
Started with a flourish, McCarthy, a couple boundaries, didn't pick this one. Maybe a little bit of an inside edge onto the leg stump, and yeah, the business faces on from Rashid Khan. Gets another wicket. Brings Jonathan Fu to the crease now.
Important strike from Rashid Khan, because Andre McCarthy is just starting to get set. He's got 14 from 8 and was looking to up the tempo in the last 6 overs. Oh, it's 2 in 2. Magnificent strike. It's another googly, and Jonathan Fu had no idea. That leg stump again has been the target, and the Amazon Warriors are knocking the Tallawahs down.
Well, look at that. 2 googlies through the defences on both occasions. He's put away the opportunity of getting LBs because he hasn't got a few this tournament. Don't worry about the catches either, because a couple have gone down. Let's just go through the defences. He's done it twice in a row. Fu gone for a golden 116 for 6.
So wickets tumbling here, and it's a hat-trick now as Rovman Powell comes in. Right, here we go. Hat-trick. Hat-trick ball for Rashid Khan. Rovman Powell on strike. Oh, it's got the hat-trick. Rashid Khan is the hero of the Hero CPL. It's a magnificent hat-trick. The pride of Afghanistan for the Guyana Amazon Warriors. 3 clean strikes. It is simply a magnificent hat-trick. Powell for naught, 116 for 7.
But it's very important to look and see what is happening before you get to the crease. Rovman Powell should have known better. Kumar Sangakkara was furious. The ball is coming in, it's the googly, you should have known. Allows Rashid Khan to get his hat-trick. It's the first for him. And the Tallawahs, they're crumbling now.
this man has been carving a reputation for himself, and he has certainly enhanced it now. First to go, Andre McCarthy. The second, Jonathan Fu. Rodman Powell.